Hush solution, pH of N divided by 1000 KOH solution ***. Step 1. Determine the molarity of KOH ***. Normality equals molarity times number of O to the power ions for KOH, N equals 1000, and it produces 1 O to the power per molecule. Molarity equals N over 1 equals 1 over 1000 equals 10 to the power minus 3 m ***. Step 2. Calculate O to the power concentration ***. O to the power equals 10 to the power minus 3 m ***. Step 3. Find POH ***. POH equals log O to the power equals log 10 to the power minus 3 equals 3 ***. Step 4. Calculate pH using the water ionization relationship ***. pH plus POH equals 14. At 25 degrees Celsius, pH equals 14 to 3 equals 11 ***. Answer, pH equals 11 ***. Option D. This makes sense because KOH is a strong base, and a concentration of 10 to the power minus 3 m produces a basic solution with pH well above 7. The answer is D.